Hey folks, hope you're doing well. So I bought a new mechanical pencil and I thought I should share it with you because this thing is epic. It's called Oranznero by the famous company Pantel. So what really attracted me is the grip. Literally half of the body is just grip. So when I sketch, I used to hold my pencil somewhere in the middle, which was a problem with my previous one, Pantel Graph Gear 1000. That all metal body is just too slippery. But now the problem is solved. The grip feels absolutely fantastic. The material is some kind of metal mixed with fiber. So apart from the clip and the tip and the grip, the rest of the body is plastic, resulting in an absolute masterpiece for a mechanical pencil. The weight feels great, not too heavy, not too light, so your fingers won't get tired easily. Alright, now let's talk about the main highlight of this pencil. It has anti-breaking auto lead extending mechanism. In simple words, whenever the lead sleeve touches the paper, the lead extends, so you don't have to click it again and again. It's some kind of auto lead feeding mechanism, and now we can sketch without any interruptions. So you just have to click once and you are good to go. And whenever you are done sketching, you can lock the sleeve inside the case for travel and storage purposes. It still sticks out a bit, but I don't mind. These are available in 3 different variants, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.5. I chose 0.5 cause 0.7 wasn't on the menu. The back of the pencil is just like a traditional one, a finicky eraser and a lead storage pipe. Boring. But apart from all those mechanics, this thing is beautiful. I mean, look at this. Pure aesthetics, no BS. And the matte black finish is a cherry on top of a dark forest cake. Tasty. By the way, the back button is very clicky and tactile. Here is a sound sample. Alright, I'm done talking, now let's do some sketching. So as expected, it's very comfortable and it writes with absolute precision. And you don't have to click it over and over again because this is automatic. And I just keep on forgetting that. You need a tiny amount of trust to use this pencil because the lead barely pokes out of the sleeve. And even if you tilt the pencil to an angle of somewhere around 45 degrees, it works absolutely fine. The pencil is amazing, but the HB lead is not so exciting. I needed something softer and darker, so I ordered the best money can buy. Until then, let's get delivered to my place. Let us first finish this sketch. Sorry folks, I was a little carried away with watercolor. Today it's not about watercolor, it's about the pencil we use before watercolor. So the leads are here. Let's quickly unwrap and see what it has to offer. So I bought the Pilot Neox Graphite leads, 0.5 thickness, 3B darkness for a silky smooth touch on paper. So this is the HB lead that came inside the pencil, and this is Pilot Neox 3B. I'll give the HB lead 2 out of 10 and Neox 9 out of 10. Trust me guys, this lead is a game changer for any pencil you have. Damn, it's gliding over the paper. I can't stop. It's really that good. A must buy for all mechanical pencil users. Alright folks, now it's time for you to grab a cup of coffee, sit back, relax and enjoy watching me sketch with this beautiful, amazing, sexy looking mechanical pencil.